It's a good experience working together with him. We have grown now. We have contributed, and company has contributed a lot to our success. And when we started, it was hardly about 1 year experience we had in recruitment field. So we learned a lot in this organization. With Shahid, it was always working, fun. And he has handled many roles in True Global. And when we started, we just were about handful, probably about 10 people in India office. And then we have seen it grow. That is, definitely gives us a high that we have been part of, organization which has grown. And he has contributed immensely in terms of being there in the night shift, moving over to day shift. And I'm very sure that, he's one of the capable guys, one of the guy who has, achieved a lot in True Global. And he has contributed, and he has earned, himself a good name in True Global, I should say.
Cover
him, man. I'm not going. He's the one who's going.
He is listening. He is focusing, following the rules. Whoever is giving the talking, he is covering them.
Looks like, yeah,
He's
okay.
making sure his lead is getting proper coverage.
Yeah, definitely, Shahid. I wish you all the very best in your future. I'm very sure, we part ways only to meet again. Let's hope, we meet together again, both in our professional and personal life. This globe is round, they say, right? When you go around, again, you'll come back and end at the same place.
At least sure, sir. MG Road, at least we need to cross it.
World is small. At least our building is
World is small. It's,
off-road.
yeah, life, it comes a full circle. You begin and then, you come at the same point again, right? So I'm very sure, we are in this industry, we are in this field. I'm very sure, probably
We are
now
in
and
Aarti
new future.
In
We are
Aarti
We are in Aarti Nagar.
We are in
I
Aarti
am in
Nagar.
Saakar Nagar. We are very close by.
That's right. I'm sure we would still, learn a lot, even though if you are there in different organizations. So a good thing about an employee going out is a guy who still maintains a good rapport in both at professional and personal life. And I'm sure he's one of those guys who would still be able to contribute to True Global in one way or the other. And he would be the guy who was likable, who will be likable in True Global.
Should we clap for you or clap for him? Good.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Arup, something you would like to say? Something you remember? Something where you guys fought? I would like to know that.
So, Shahid, so he is the person who introduced me to True Global, and he is one of the.
You heard about him?
Yeah.
Okay. I was not aware.
So,
Yeah. Okay.
So he is one of the key member of True Global, and you could say well defined as a pillar of True Global. As rightly said, he has done various roles, and right from the professional, he is truly professional, and he has always contributed fully, probably more than 100%, serving 24/7 for True Global, and he understands what the importance and the what kind of he is personally motivated, so he doesn't need much motivation for him to get motivated or something, and really working with him, he's a very good competitor, which I felt. He understands. See, he is one of the example. I don't know what kind of background he has come through, but what I understand is the experience what he has gained, irrespective of whatever experience he had. It's it doesn't need that kind of background of maybe education or maybe any kind of work culture he's been, but it's just the hard work and 100% dedication which I felt from him, and that's what he has achieved. And if we stayed, we would have got much more advantages. So, and all the best wishes.
Taking like a resignation man.
I feel he's still that set, and now he will be partially an asset. Anyway, he's leaving, but again he will be anyway partially associated. So all the best, and wish you happy, journey. So all the best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bhaskar, you would like to say something? When he never sponsored you any drink?
Old monk. Divakar would be the right person. He has with him more than me.
Yeah,
Yes,
Divakar
correct.
has also worked with him, correct? I forgot.
I worked
I'm
only
always
with him.
considering. I was
The
thinking
longest
he's
I've
always
worked
with
with me is Divakar only, among us.
Correct.
Shahid, Imran also has worked, I
No,
think, right?
it is Divakar.
Night shift
Almost 3 years he
masters.
worked.
Even though if there is no invitation, I would have taken a self-invitation to tell about my brother. In fact, I would treat him as a brother.
Let him take some photos of yours, which you always like. Always you give poses for the photos.
People have asked
Sir,
me
you
to
come
dress
for camera came. God, you cannot stop him. Wait, start the timer, man.
Just to give different angles now.
Yeah, you will do all that.
So never treated him as a colleague. So from the day one, I'm treating him as a brother. So in fact, we worked. I was reporting to him when I started my career in True Global. So in fact, I would tell one thing. He's the person when True Global needs actually a resource to start on with, or whatever, to go to the next level. I would say is one of the key members that True Global in this stage, and we are in this True Global in MG Road office. And guys, I would say in my career or in my life, never seen a person, such dedicated person, comparatively with me also, is that much dedicated person. I would say a dedicated person is the number one till now in True Global. So that's why we like him much. And when it comes to professional life also, whatever the position that he handled, more than 100%, I would say he has dedicated himself, whatever the role. He has played a different role, and he came up the ladder and down the ladder as well.
One
So
of the
wherever-
guys to find this office. Right?
Exactly, that's what I mean. We are in this True Global office. He is the only one person who dedicated so much. So there we are here, and whatever position. So when day operations, when we started, he's the first person who started recruiting for the day operations, and then he handled actually. There was no person, I would say. Okay, so it's good. He was working in night shift, and then he came into day operation. He took that managerial that position, that he fulfilled that manager, that he is capable enough of handling the people and all. He did very good. Handled a lot of people, internal, external clients. He was a client account manager, resource manager. Right from he works as a system admin. He was taking care. I still remember the guy was logging out at 4 o'clock. The work timings which I am following, the guy it was motivated by Shahid. To be frank, he was coming at 10 o'clock, logging out at 3 or 3:30. Okay, I just see him 3 o'clock. When Ibrahim is there in US, in India, he was almost there around about 2 or 2.
Tomorrow it can come on Facebook.
Now it's
Now only
Few
Facebook.
minutes it will be there, at least for Divakar.
At least it's 4 years journey, right? So he was just sleeping like 2-3 hours and dedicated so much. So he is one of the key
Don't
members
make
at,
another 4
True
years,
Global.
man.
Yes, so to be frank, like we are missing you a lot, Shahid. So not only in the personal life, in the professional life also. So we like you be in touch with everyone. So like to be in with everyone's heart as you are. So I wish you all the best from the company and as well. Okay, so from the personal and
So fast. What's wrong?
I'm getting
it's
late.
post
to-
from that.
Getting late, yes, motivating.
That's enough. So I would like Mr. Smile to.
I'm
tell
not
you-
telling anything about that. You take the you put down your papers, now you're sitting here and taking appreciation. And you kick your butt, take the gift, go home.
See, the years have come out like
Yeah.
this.
There is nothing to say, everything, I think everyone knows about him. There was a time people used to, a couple of clients asked, Shahid is your brother or something? It had reached, I don't know what is the commitment, what was the bonding, why he put so much heart and soul, where we got bonded together, we seriously don't know. He was just an employee like anyone who joined. He joined us as a recruiter. I can tell yesterday also I was telling him, he's been a fill gap for me. Yesterday I was telling him, boss,
It's a
you're
man
going-
Friday, right?
you are going yesterday, I was telling him, and now I need something is breaking, I have always put him there. Let it be the day, let it be the night, let it be system admin, when we need to find a office. Anything you say, he has done every role in Google, I don't think, other than accounts. And
No one can compete with me, Bhaskar.
never done.